Hi, this is Gajanan Deshmukh. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to deal with a very important topic of English grammar. The title of the topic is types of verbs. See here my dear friends, first of all we will try to know what is the definition of a verb. Verb is the most important word in a sentence. So this is the definition of a verb. We have another definition of a verb. Action words are called the verbs. So here verbs can be divided into two types. They are regular verbs and irregular verbs. Okay, verbs can be divided into two types, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Here I have written a few verbs on the board which you can see. So see here, what is the definition of a regular verb? Regular verbs are those whose V2 and V3 form can be formed by adding ed to the V1 form. So see here, play is the V1 form. So played. Okay, what have we done here? We have added ed to the V1 form of the verb. So these kinds of verbs are known as the regular verbs. Very simple it is. Okay, so see here, V1, V2, V3. First of all, try to know when do we use V1 form of the verb. Generally we use V1 form of the verb in simple present tense. When do we use V2 form of the verb? We use V2 form of the verb in simple past tense. And here you have to understand that V3 is also known as past participle. Okay, it is also known as past participle. And my dear friends, do you know when do we make use of V3 form of the verb? We use V3 form of the verb in perfect tenses, whether that is present perfect tense, past perfect tense or future perfect tense. At the same time we have to use V3 form of the verb in passive voice also. So very simple, what is the definition of regular verbs? Regular verbs are those whose V2 and V3 forms can be created or can be built or can be formed by adding ed to the V1 form of the verb. For example, walk, here we have added ed, here also we have added ed. Okay, walk, walked, walked. Pluck, plucked, plucked. Here we have added ed, here also we have added ed. Express, expressed, expressed, ed. Okay, then pass, passed, passed. So here also we have added ed. So all these examples are the examples of regular verbs. Why? Because their V2 or V3 can be created by adding ed to the base form of the verb, or we can create their V2 and V3 forms by adding ed to the we can say V1 form. Now we will try to understand what are irregular verbs. Very simple my dear friends. See here, actually irregular verbs are those verbs whose V2 and V3 form cannot be created by adding ed to them. Okay, and here we can classify irregular verbs into the three types. So please have a look at the board. Here, burst, 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 cut, 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 put, 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 sprayed, sprayed, sprayed. So this is the first category of the irregular verbs. Why? Because all their three forms V1, V2 and V3 are the same. There is not any change in their all the three forms. So all these are the examples of, we can say, irregular verbs. This is the first category of irregular verb, where all the three forms of the verbs are the same. So we will try to see which is the second category of irregular verb, or which is the second type of irregular verb. See here, what happens, we can say that the second category of the irregular verbs is one, or is one where we can say the two forms are the same. For example, see, come, came, come. Okay, So see here my dear friends, here this come and this come is the same, means two forms are the same but one is the different. So this type of verb is also known as the regular verb. Another examples we will try to see. Leave, left, left. Okay, see here, leave, left, left. Here also two forms are the same. Next one, find, found, found. So see here, here also one form V1 is different but V2 and V3 are the same. Again, LOSC, lose, lost, lost. So all these are also known as the irregular verbs. Why? Because out of the three forms, two forms are the same, only one form is different. Now we will try to see the third type or category of irregular verbs. Please have a look at the board. Write, wrote, written. See here, this is also an example of an irregular verb. Why? Because here all the three forms of the verbs are different. Write, wrote, written. Okay. Another example we will try to see. Speak, spoke, spoken. Speak, spoke, spoken. Okay, all the three forms are the different here. Another example, forget, forgot, forgotten. So all these are the examples of irregular verbs. Very simple my dear friends. So what have we studied in this video? We have studied that verbs can be divided into two types. They are regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are those whose V2 and V3 form can be formed by adding ed to the V1 form of the verb. And what are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are those whose V2 and V3 forms cannot be formed by adding ed to the base form of the verb. Irregular verbs can be classified or divided into three types. The first category of irregular verb is one where all the three forms are the same. The second category of irregular verb is one where the two forms are the same. The third category of irregular verb is one where all the three forms are different. So I hope that you must have enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for watching more videos like this. My channel is completely devoted to the study of English language and grammar. Once again, I request all of you to subscribe my channel. If you are having any queries or doubts related to this topic, you can send me your valuable feedback. Have a good day. Thanks everyone.